Hello everyone, welcome back. In our last video, we learned how to use the general and email settings of GeoDirectory. So, in today's video, we will talk about the design, import export and API settings. So let's start. In the design settings, the first tab we find is the archive tab, where we get image settings, which allow us to set the default image for our listings. And for our page template, we can override the archive page template with these templates using any default ones we have created. Similarly, there is the details page setting where we can find the settings to override our page template. The next tab is reviews, where we can design the reviews according to our preferences, including the rating color off, and rating type. Meaning we can change the icon for our rating type through this. And we can also add a rating transparent image from here. For each rating text 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We can provide different text for each. Terrible, poor, average, very good, and excellent are provided by default. We can also add our own custom text here. Next is our email template. In the email template, we can manage the structure of all emails related to GeoDirectory, including the logo width, the footer text, and the color settings. Right. So our next tab is import and export, where we can export the listings from this GeoDirectory site and import listings from another GeoDirectory website into our own site using these settings. Here is the listing import CSV, which remains in CSV format. From here, we can generate a sample CSV file, and then after inserting data according to our needs, we can upload it here. And then all our listings in the CSV will be imported. There are some settings here. If post ID exists, meaning if the post already exists, what action should we take? Should we skip it or update that listing? We can manage these types of settings from here. Next is our listing export CSV. Here we get two options where we can choose how many listings we want to import / export, max entries. Then the next one is for the publish date. So if we only want to export listings from a certain date to another date, we can do that from here. Next is our categories. Similarly, we can import and export categories for any GeoDirectory website. It will be the same for importing categories as I explained for listings. From here, we can download sample CSV, add our categories and import them here. And if a category already exists, we can manage the settings to either skip or update it from here. Right? Next is our export CSV. So from here, we can select the max entries and then export the CSV for categories. Next is our reviews import and export. The process will be the same as for listings and categories. We can download the sample CSV, add our new reviews to it, and then import it here. The same thing applies to export CSV regarding how many max entries we want to export and the date range we want to use. If we talk about the rating type, we can export ratings from 1 rating up to 2 or 4 ratings from here. The status is our review status: approved, pending, spam, trash. We can also manage which status of reviews we want to export and export the reviews from our GeoDirectory website. Then the next tab is settings. Here we can export the import export settings and import the settings from another website. Import export settings. Third tab is our API. This is mainly for developers. If we enable this, the GeoDirectory REST API is enabled. And through the REST API, we can get data, and through the REST API, we can perform all our actions according to our requirements. And to enable the REST API, it is mandatory to have this setting enabled. External images. Enabling this setting will allow users to store external images without uploading to the site. This means that if we are creating listings via the API and we want to use external images for the listings, we must allow this option so that the listing images are not uploaded to the WordPress media library, but instead the images from the external resource are used. The next one is our keys tab. Here we can manage keys related to GeoDirectory or any apps you might need to integrate. Right. So take a look at the GeoDirectory website settings. And if you require a one-to-one consultation, you can book one at WPGeoBuddy.com with one of our GeoDirectory experts, which is completely free for 30 minutes. You can set a time that suits you for the consultation using the Calendly, and the link is in the description. You can also purchase add-ons related to GeoDirectory from here. You can also purchase our membership, which is available from $99 per year and includes 10 premium add-ons as well as all our future add-ons. In the next video, we will talk about the GeoDirectory default page templates, how we can customize them, or how we can manage them. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video.